Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome to Selenium Python training program. Yesterday we discussed about a string and overview on other data types. Now I would like to explain a list and the various options we have inside a list. List is a data type that allows you to store various types into that. So a combination of an integer, float, a string, all these things I can store it in a list. See, here is an example for that. In this example, it contains only a set of strings. Now, let me switch to my PyCharm and I'm creating a new program where in which I just want to show you how to create a list. See here, example 6 and here on a left hand side, you have to define a variable name equal to if you have represented anything within these braces, it will treat it as a list. So I'm defining Surendra as a first value, and the second value is an integer, third value is Ramya, and the fourth value is Sneha. As of now, I have a defined four values, which is a combination of integer and a string in a list. When we use a print method, automatically print of list, automatically the values present in the list will be printed. For suppose if my requirement is to know how many values are there in a particular list. In such situations, we can use length of a list name. Automatically, it will be getting the total number of values present in a list. Okay, automatically it will be getting total number of values present in a list. See here, I'm doing a print of len of a. So when I run my test script, that should print the total number of values in a list as 4. 4 got returned to the console. For suppose if my requirement is okay, if my requirement is to get a specific value from a list, which means I want to get second value from the list. Then what I can do, right? We should know a mechanism how to get an individual value from a list. Basically, we can use list name of followed by a index. Every value in the list will start with 0th index. 0, it means first value in the list. Index 1 means second value in the list. Index 2 means third value in the list. Like that, we have to define. If you would like to get the last value in the list, we can go with n minus 1, which will get last value in the list. Okay, which will be getting the last value in that particular list. In my situation, I just want to get the first value. If you would like to get the first value, we need to define index as a 0. See here, print a of 0. The similar way, print a of 1. Let us add a of 2 and a of 3. I know there are 4 values are there. 0 represents first value, 1 represents second, third, like that. When I run my test script, you know, okay, it's having some syntax error. Which line? The 13th line. Okay, guys, here I added a colon, but I have to add a dot, right? That's it. I just corrected that line number 13. See, in the line number 13, it's displaying an error message. It's mentioning here. I corrected that. And when I run my example 6, see, individual values in the list got retrieved and it got printed to the console. So in order to access the individual values from a list, we have to use this list name. Okay, the syntax out over here in order to access that particular one is list name of index. Automatically it will be capturing that particular value from the list. And for suppose if I would like to add some value to my list, right? A dot append is a method. Append is a method of which I'm using in order to add a value. So initially my list has a four values. Now I am adding lucky trainings to that. Okay, lucky trainings to that list. And now finally print a. Up, upon appending a value to a list, I'm trying to print the whole list. When I execute it, see here, Surendra, 2, Ramya, Sneha, and Lucky Trainings got appended at last. Or I can say Lucky Trainings got added at last. Like this, we can perform the various kinds of operations on a list. In the real world, we will be using this append index of and the length method. All these stuff we are going to use as part of our WebDriver programming. This is a brief overview about list, guys. That's all I have for today. See you again in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.